Hey guys, it's Larry from Larry's Living Light, and today I am doing a plan with me video with this beautiful artwork from Miss Victoria Thatcher. And look how cute this is. This is called New Year, and it's really cute, positive, inspirational, fun. So I'm actually working on the week of January 14th, but obviously you can use it for whenever you'd like. It's just really good positive reinforcement. This year I will indulge. This year I will realize alone time is not the same as lonely, and just tons of really great messages. One of the borders for last year's words belonged to last year's language. So I thought this was really cool. It does have a resolutions, which I did not do that one. But I took her free PDF and I downloaded it into my computer. Then I uploaded it into Cricut to make my stickers, which I always do. So this is what my stickers look like from my Cricut. And I'm going to get started here in just a sec. If you want to see how this turns out, I also picked out some washi, may or may not use. So let's see what happens. If you'd like to play along with me and see how this turns out, then stick around. Let's get started. So we're ready to get started, or I'm ready to get started. I hope you are as well. I have my stickers printed out. I showed you these are the two washes I picked out. I may or may not use, and I am ready to go. So I want to thank you first for being here. Happy New Year. I hope you're having a great January, and we're going to play some music. Hit that like and subscribe button if you appreciate this video, and I will get started. guys, well, I think I'm done. So what do you think? I think it turned out really cool. I was contemplating covering up this black line, but I kind of like the contrast. So tell me what you think about that. Does it look stupid to have the others covered and not this one? Or is it okay to have that contrast? What are your preferences? Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about that. So this is all done obviously before the pen. So I have a few stickers left that I will be saving. Not sure how I'll use these two, but these are for appointments or meetings, so I know I'll end up using those. And then I have one more. This year I will make healthier choices for myself, which I definitely want to use. I'm just not quite sure where yet. It kind of depends on how my week fills up. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and if you're interested in getting these stickers for free, I will leave a link below where you can find Victoria's work. She is just amazing. And thank you so much for being here with me. I will see you in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, leave me questions and your recommendations. Subscribe if you get a chance, and give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. And please remember, always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. See you soon.